In this video, I am going to show you how you can design bottom navigation. This will be into a two part. So in first part, I'll design only XML layout, and in second part, I'll do some Java coding. I have already made an example for you. As you can see in this example, bottom navigation, and I have used here teal color. As you know here, teal color. There is a text weave, and this text weave reflects a current selected menu. So if I press on recent, favorite, or a nearby, right, as you can also see there, it is changing its position a little bit, that specifies a selected item. Okay, now let's start designing this bottom navigation. First of all, that we need to come into a layout folder and in activity main.xml. So inside the activity main.xml, remove this text weave, we do not need this one, and this constraint layout, we want to put here a relative layout. Now let's first put here a coordinator layout, but before that I would like to add here a design library. So you need to come here and select this one. Okay, click on OK, and in meantime it will automatically build this project for you. Great. So first put a coordinator layout. Okay, first put a coordinator layout. We want here coordinator layout, and let's make a match parent and match parent, and inside this coordinator layout I'm gonna put a bottom navigation weave. Okay, so here we want bottom navigation weave, and this width would be a match parent and height would be a wrap content, and id we are going to give here bottom navigation. Okay, id is bottom navigation, and the background which I'm gonna give here Android background, it's Android attribute window background. So here you need to put a question mark and then Android and then background, and then sorry, here it will be a window background, right? A window and then background, and after that we want here layout gravity. We want here layout gravity, that is a bottom, and apart from that we want nothing to do here as of now. So our bottom navigation weave is ready, as you can see it here. Now we need to add here item. So those items we can add into a menu folder. So we need to first create that Android resource file, and let's give a name to Android resource file as navigation menu, navigation underscore menu, and select a resource type as a menu and click on OK. It will automatically create a folder menu, and inside this navigation menu click on text and let's create an item. So the first item, and in the first item I'm gonna give ID first, and the ID let's put a nearby, and then I would like to put an icon. So for nearby I have to import a resource from vector asset, right? And here you can see a map, no, person map. Let's take this one. Okay, and give a name it to a nearby. Click on OK and finish it. So I'm importing these icons, and here we want favorite and then recents. So let's import those icons too. Okay, drawable, and then we want vector asset, and here we want a heart. No, do we have favorite here, right? We have here fav, that's the favorite, and then finally we want history. This one, that's the recents. Click on finish. Now I would like to change the color, and that color can be changed very easily. And then for nearby, change its color, and then recent, change its color. Great. So now let's close these three files which we do not want, and now let's come to the navigation menu and Android ID nearby, and then icon we want here nearby, and then we want to put a title here. Okay, so the title is nearby, and now extract this string resource to a nearby, and after title we want here order in category, in which order these would be set. So we want here order in category, so this nearby I want to put into third place. Okay, so this one is ready, and now next create another item. You see here this nearby is third place, this one is first, this one is second. Okay, now let's create this favorite item. So item, Android ID, and the ID. So in this ID we want fav. Okay, fav underscore ID, we can say fav underscore ID, and here I would like to also put nearby ID, and then we want here icon, and we want icon fav icon, and then we want title, and inside the title we can put here a favorite, right? Favorite, and then we put order in category, that's at the second place, and let's extract this string resource into a string file. And the last item ID would be this is recents, you can say the recents ID, and then icon would be recents, and then you can put a title here, that's the history, or you can say here recents, and it's recents. Okay, fine. Finally we want order in category, that's at the first place. Perfect. And now we need to put menu here. Okay, so menu, and that's the navigation menu, right? Now let's run this application and see what will happen. Great, now you can see here recent, favorite and nearby. So in next tutorial I'll show you how you can customize its background and the tint color of these icons and um, the color of these text, and also how you can add set on click listener.